freedom from anxiety is possible with these tips. Anxiety can be a normal reaction to many things in life, but it shouldn't be something that is so overwhelming that it limits your ability to live a normal life. Fortunately, there are ways to deal with anxiety and get control over it. Use the information and techniques in this video to get your anxiety under control. To help you ensure anxiety is not taking control of your life, speak to your doctor about medications you can take to restore potential chemical balances. Medications are often prescribed for people dealing with anxiety disorders, and the results have proven to be very effective in most cases. To help manage your anxiety, consider meeting with a therapist who specializes in cognitive behavioral therapy. This kind of therapy can help you attack specific fears or worries by identifying and changing distorted patterns in your thinking. By looking at the full picture of how your worries affect you, you can hopefully decrease your overall anxiety when those thinking patterns are eliminated. Try not to watch the news often. Many times, the news is filled with all kinds of negative stories about occurrences in your town and around the world. When dealing with anxiety, you do not need to feed the anxiety any more negative issues to dwell on. Turn off the TV, pick up a light-hearted book to read instead. To help control your anxiety, try to find the things or people that make you laugh the most. This could include watching a comedy movie, watching a funny book, or simply telling jokes with friends. You will find your anxiety to be much more controlled when you feel more joyful. A terrific method of managing anxiety is to engage in vigorous physical activity. If stressful situations start to get the better of you, heading out for a bit of moderate exercise can cause physiological release of feel-good chemicals into the bloodstream. This, in turn, will cause a sense of happiness and relaxation to take hold in no time. Set goals for you to reach every day. If you are constantly reaching positive goals on your list, you are happy about your life, and can tackle one problem at a time. You can then put that bother that caused some anxiety behind you forever. Who wants to spend their time worrying? As previously mentioned, anxiety can be a normal reaction to everyday stresses, but it shouldn't be something that overwhelms you on a daily basis. If anxiety is interfering with your ability to have a normal life, then the advice and the methods in this video can help you get control over it and return to a more relaxed life. Discover how I overcame anxiety disorder and started living life again. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn how. I thought my anxiety disorder was for life, but I discovered how hundreds of former anxiety sufferers melted away their anxiety, and now live relaxed, happy lives, with no trace of anxiety or depression at all. Visit secretanxietyhack.com to learn so much more.